Webster Crowley says overlay be lying. Says 8 miles per hour.
Yeah, I'm an hour away from the house, so it could be a lot different. It definitely could be a lot different. If anybody wants to go and change it to Falls Lake, wherever this falls into the Durham area, you can probably see it, but it was projected 9 to 10 miles per hour with like 18 to 25 mile per hour gusts. So it's about right for that. I'm trying to maintain 4.5, and this shit is whooping me, but I still need a workout, so we're going to get it some way or another. I definitely have been lacking on my cardio, so this will work. Me and the dog are walking at least a mile to 1.5 miles, but I'm not throwing in any sprinting, any footwork drills, nothing. So I'll just burn it straight to the thighs.
Webster
here.
Crowley says, yeah, I am excited to get out and pedal.
I'll just burn them here. Damn, these things hurt.
Tushmo0ove4U says, I know your face hurt, my boy wooey.
No, I'm fully covered. Fully covered. Let's see. Yeah, no. Face is good, baby. Don't feel nothing. Keep that thing rolled up.
Tushmo0ove4U says, oh yeah, you good, my guy, ha ha ha.
Keep that thing covered.
Tushmo0ove4U says, fishing GST.
Fish shiesties all day, dog. No, I can't go all black. I'll burn up. But yeah, we'll go nice little colors, fish shiesties, without all the criminal activity behind them. My nephew was supposed to be here this weekend, and the last thing this motherfucker posted on social was him in a fucking shiesty mask. I'm like, bro, you're not even about that life, and you're not from upstate. Like you're not even doing like New York or anything type of shit. He was like, nah, that's just what the kids do now. I was like, even though y'all ain't robbing nobody, everybody go face mask. It's like, yeah. I was like, man, I'm off of it. I am so off of it. I'm officially an unk. I've fallen off of the culture. Fallen off of the culture. That shit just seems like you're trying to get in trouble. You rocking a Pooch Ice Tea 24/7. Oh man. Oh, wind stopped. We're good. I'm officially